Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix menu button not working on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on general management. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on reset. From here, just scroll down and tap on reset all settings. Now just tap on reset settings and tap on reset. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to reset all the settings. Now this will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will just reset all the settings on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now after that, just open the settings app. Now just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on navigation bar. Now from here, just select the swipe gestures and select the navigation buttons one more time. Now from here, just tap on more options and select the navigation buttons order which you like. Just like that. Now if this did not fix your issue, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on software update and tap on download and install. Now this problem might be caused because of a glitch in the system software. Just make sure that your system software is up to date. Now if there is any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone software is up to date. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just hard reset your smartphone. But keep in mind that by hard resetting your smartphone, all the data on your smartphone will be wiped out. And this is how you can fix the menu button not working on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.